Yeah, that's it. Okay, into the intro. Ready?
Ready?
What's up, Idea Labbers?
It's Nicole.
It's Brock.
I'm Dieter Kingworks.
And I'm Brooke Burks.
My name's Karidi.
My name's Nicolai.
Today we're going to be making a propeller car.
We're going to be making the Wobble Bot.
We'll be making an LED necklace. While he just tapes cool designs on the wheels, I'm going to be making the base. First, we're going to take this part, then we're going to take these and snap them right here.
So basically what we're starting with is we're just taping this little sticker onto our CDs.
First, you'll need to take your LED holder and you'll take
your LED light.
Gonna stick it through
the bottom and make sure the two things go on the sides of them.
Should we do a race to see who finished first? We should try that. Yes. Okay, I think I'm gonna win, but let's see.
So then
we're gonna snap the
we have these
right here.
blank wheels. We grab the thing and then tape them.
And then you'll take your battery and you're gonna put it. If you see the longer side, you'll look for the side that has the plus on it, and you'll place it on that side so that it'll light up.
So let's see. Carefully trying to take off the eraser without ripping it. There we go.
And then you'll take your tape.
Not too much, not
Maybe this
more than
much?
4 inches.
Next, you take your propeller, then you put it right here.
So you're taping the wheels exactly, so you leave the hole right in the middle so you can put the stick in.
So now it's time to get these wires together.
And the red goes with red because that's positive, and the black goes with blue, and that's negative.
I need a little bit more.
Oops. Now, after you've done that, you'll take the string and you'll just put it through the little holes right here on the top, just to make it a necklace. Next, I'm going to take these tiny pieces and put them through these tiny squares right here.
Next, we're gonna do the third wheel, and then we will do some things like you can paint the wheels, put paper on the wheels like I'm doing.
Oh, this part popped off.
Fix it.
That right there. And then, there you go. You have this base part.
This is how it basically looks right now. Battery pack, wires, and motor. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carefully put in my batteries.
Elevator music. Now we're going to take this rubber band. There's a little hook on the end of the propeller. We're going to take the rubber band and put it on this little hook at the top. Then there should be a little plastic hook at the bottom, and then you're going to take the rubber band and hook it at the bottom right here.
So now that we've put your battery in,
Turn it on.
yeah, you turn it on and then put it in the Wobble Bot.
Okay.
So now, here, I'll just go ahead and disconnect this right now. You get to decorate it.
Oopsie daisy.
Oh.
It's fixable.
Okay.
And then you'll stick the strands
I
through.
pretty much messed up my string. Technical difficulties.
It's a metal hook.
It's plastic at the bottom.
I don't think that is.
This is plastic.
Oh, yes. Not that one, this one. Okay, so after we're done, we'll put the wheels on the cart and then put the wheels on.
First, we're gonna stick these sticks through the little things.
And then you can make this design yours, whatever you want to put on it. You know, I'm gonna name mine Jerry. Jerry the Wobblebot. This is gonna be its hair. There we go. Jerry's hat, everyone.
I have finished in advance.
I have not finished it. It's very hard for me to get this through. Ooh, I did it!
Next, we're going to put one of these clear things on each side of the popsicle.
Secures.
I mean, skewers. I'm gonna put one on each side.
Can't do it.
There we go.
Mine doesn't have a mouth.
He doesn't have a mouth.
No.
Look like this guy just walked out of an 80s disco. Jerry's finished. Now he's going on
After
the
you do that, you can just put it, tie it around your neck. You can get a friend to help.
You don't want it to get tied to their hair because it's probably going to be stuck there for a while.
Now we're gonna take our big wheels and put them on this side of the sticks. And then after you put the wheel, you're going to put another one at this other side to secure. And then you're gonna do that on all 4 sides with all of your wheels.
And make sure to not cover the holes for the wheels. So you can put the axles.
I win.
I'm not far off behind. Come on, Jerry. There we go.
The wobbling Jerry and the dabbing Spike.
Sit down, sit down, sit down!
That's all you do.
I feel like a gangster wearing this, you know?
And here's the finished product. The propeller car. So how you get the propeller car to go is that you wind it up like this.
To prop.
Then, it'll work better on the floor.
This is what your Wobblebot can look like once you're finished. You can have a dancing Jerry or a
Spinning spikes.
spinning Spike.
So yeah, that is how you make an LED necklace.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram.
And buy Idea Labs.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
You can head to the Mabas station and he will help you.
Okay.
And then once it's glued, you can come back and show the video.
Just give it to me, I'll do it.
Oh, true. They're like tight.
Can you show one of it?
Yikes. Run away, battery.
Hi, I'm Nicole.
Hi, I'm Nicole. And Brock.
Once you twirl it up, it's supposed to go like that.
Okay, it broke.
It broke.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye. No, we're not done coding.
Bye-bye.